Hello, today we are going to do unboxing of Xiaomi beard trimmer 2C. It comes in the usual Amazon Prime box. I have ordered it from Amazon. The links are given in the description. The trimmer comes in the usual Xiaomi white and orange color, very recognizable box. You can see some descriptions are written on the back side. Okay, let's open the box. Once you open the box, you can see the trimmer is there inside. We have taken out the trimmer. It's quite slim to hold. The trimmer is completely black in color. Everything is black. There is a dial which is meant to change the length setting for trimming beard, hair, whatever you want to do. See, there are 10 numbers, but there are overall 20 settings of length. There is just a power button below that dial, and on the back side there is a charging port, USB type C charging port, which is very convenient because most of us have the C type charger in our homes. Okay, let's turn on the trimmer. Let's see what else is there inside the box. There is a small brush to clean the beard hair from the trimmer. There is a bigger attachment. I think that is meant for cutting hair, or maybe if you want to keep your beard large, in that case. And there is a type C charging cable, USB to type C, that is also black in color. And there is a carry pouch. It is made of some polyester cloth. The quality is good. Let's try to attach the bigger attachment. This is how we attach the attachment. Overall, the quality seems pretty nice. The performance will get to know only after using, but prima facie everything looks nice. Okay, let's see how it gets charged. We are attaching the charger, and after attaching it we can see there are 3 LED lights which shows the charging level. It is charging.